Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have 10 Fantasy Beast Battlers by Red Mouse and Dejika, 126 abstract isometric icons by PP Pixel, a JRPG and Fantasy Music Pack DLC by Sonancy Designs and Dejika, and lastly, we have 3 new plugins today. An MV plugin by Alexander Votsis that completely disables the X enemy emerges battle message. An MV and MZ plugin by Hackman Studio that allows us to create any number of custom parameters for actors and enemies. And an MZ plugin by Kanazuki Sasuke that can assign cursor coordinates to variables. And it also allows us to run common events on different mouse operations, like on clicking, on hovering, on long press, and so on. Do note, this plugin is an MZ port of Sasuke's MV plugin. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.